Hey guys, Dr. Chellam again. So in this video, though I know it's a week early or a few days later, is to address a very common question we get. What do I do if I have to go out when I'm preparing for the detox or when I'm on the detox? Couple of things. It's all about planning. If you have to go out and you are used to going out, take a look at the menu. Look at all the items in the menu and pick and choose those items. For instance, in one dish they do some mushrooms, and another dish they do spinach. Tell the waiter, I have certain dietary requirements. Can I have a little spinach sauteed and mushroom sauteed, slices of avocado? Most places will accommodate you. I'd gone recently for a breakfast to Toasted Oak, and they had a lot of egg dishes, pancakes, and waffles. And I looked at the menu, I said, you have avocados. Can you slice some avocados? Can you saute a few of these vegetables and give it to me as a sauteed bowl of vegetables? They were happy to accommodate me. So you can do that. The second thing I would say is, remember, this is not a test of willpower. This is changing habits. Remove anything that's going to put you in the way of temptation. Having a tub of ice cream, having cookies in your pantry, going to a place where you have no options, like a froyo place, which is all yogurt and you've given up dairy. So you want to put yourself in situations where you have a choice. Let's say you have a church meeting and there is no choice. Take a dish or eat before you go for the meeting so you're not tempted by hunger. You will notice when you go shopping or you go out to eat, if you've already eaten something, you're not as hungry and you're not trying to eat everything in sight. So it's all about planning. To reiterate, number one, prepare a dish if you have to go out. Number two, look at the menu, plan ahead, and let them know that you have some dietary restrictions and create your own dish. Think a little outside the box. Number three, you want to avoid any temptation at home by not buying stuff that you know you have a weakness for. And always stay hydrated. Eat well before you go shopping or before you go out to eat, like a handful of nuts, and then when you go out to eat, you're not grabbing the bread basket. Hope these tips are useful. Like I said, this is not about restricting your life. This is about showing self-love, really helping yourself get the best results for all the effort you will be putting in. It's also about really getting new habits. So send us a comment about what is the new habit that you're proud you have developed in the last few weeks. Take care. Dr. Chellam.